In this video, join the Vineyard Chicks as we use only a few healthy ingredients to make a cereal that we call Croats.
Hi, I'm Bunkie.
I'm Trie. And I'm KK, and we're the Vineyard Chicks. We're going to be making Croats cereal, or cranberry oats cereal.
And first you're going to have to heat the oven to 350.
Then you're going to spray your roaster pan with a cooking spray. And then you're going to pour 2 pounds of oats in the roaster pan.
Okay.
Then you put 2 cubes of butter in a saucepan. And then you add 2 cups of sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Then you mix it in until the butter is completely melted and the sugar is somewhat dissolved. You're going to want to cook this at medium-high heat. Now we're going to pour the melted butter and sugar onto the oats and stir it thoroughly. Now that we have the butter mixture in with the oats, I'm going to put the lid on the roaster pan and bake it in the oven for 45 minutes.
After 45 minutes passed, we took the cover off of the pan and put it back into the oven for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we took the roaster pan out of the oven and we let it cool. Then we added our cranberries and we transferred it into a container. Our cereal was very brown and crispy, which is just the way we like it. If you don't want the cereal to be too crispy, stir the cereal before you put it back into the oven. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. You can donate to our fund for a drum set by either purchasing organic food boxes from montecellosellers.com or donating $1 or $2 at paypal.me/vineyardchicks. Thank you so much.
Hi, everybody. I'm Bunkie.
I'm Trie. And I'm KK. And we're the Vineyard Chicks.
And first you have to...
No,
Wait,
don't.
Hi,
what are we
everybody.
cooking?
I'm Bunkie.
I'm Trie. And I'm KK. And we're the Vineyard Chicks. Today we're going to be making granola cereal. Cranberry granola cereal.
And first you're going to have to heat the oven to 1050.
350's fine.
No. So you have to, we're gonna start with,
That's good stuff. Like if Frankie says something is wrong, you laugh and go, really? 350 will do.
okay, let's start again.